morning, everyone. Welcome you to my channel. Yeah. So last week it was an indecisive week. If you would look into the charts, you can see that there was no much movement. It was just swinging around from support levels to the resistance. So this is what we could see. So let's see what the charts are in this week. And most the targets had the either sides, but on the short side, I would say it has gone beyond the expected targets for the 9th of December. So let's see for today. Please follow these rules in your trades, and this week specifically, we have to be very much careful as the Fed decisions for the interest rate is there. So anything positive for the market can bring back the market. It can go beyond 35,000, maybe in this week or the following week. This is for the expectations, and if it's maybe we'll touch back 32,900 or 30,800, 700 range. So let's see for today what's yeah. So as I said, this is the weekly chart of US 30. If you would see, this is the this is the weekly candle. And if you see the weekly candle, it has just been in the range. It did not go anywhere. It was almost in the range. This was the previous week, previous to previous week, and this is the current last week. Okay. So let's see on the daily chart what is the charts indicating. Well, the charts, if you would see, it's on a daily time frame. It's on a downtrend, and he is also looking sell side. And RSI is a comfortable zone, but the stochastic is trying to converge, and PMI is buy side. Okay. And let's see the forward charts. What does it say? The forward charts, you'll see the MACD is still going towards downside, might converge in the coming hours. So if the German markets open, there can be some. Let's see, RSI is comfortable. Stochastic is still looking down. The forward chart. PMI is also on a downside. 1 hour charts, let's see the 1 hour chart. If you would see, there has been some momentum gaining upside, and RSI is comfortable, MACD is looking up, and stochastic is also looking up, and PMI is also still not in a bullish zone. So owing to all of this, let's see what it is. So here the targets and entry levels. So the entry I would prefer here is only about 30,580, and you can expect a target of 30,650 and 33,750 for the day. Okay, but I don't expect this might happen. Anyway, these are markets, so let's see what the market decides. The short side, you can take an entry at 33,380, and this target can be 33,280. Bear in mind that we have a beautiful support at 13,400. So then there can be quick swings which can bring you these targets. The stop losses should be 13,440. No trade zone between 33,380 and 580. If you want to play the swing, if you see the market trading at around 33,80, 33,350, and if you see the indicators are showing you some positive notes, then you can go for it. A swing which can give you 100 points, 150 points around. For this, you'll have to be very much careful. The moves can be sudden and quick. Daily trend is consolidation, monthly is also. First support zone for the day will be 33,350, and then the later part would be 33,380. So I'm expecting this to be coming in today or tomorrow. On the upside, I do not see much room. strong resistance is 33,580 for the day. So for the market events, we have some GDP for the UK around 110 and manufacturing production. So that's also for the UK. So all this will be make some impact for the markets until the US cash zone is cash market is open. Now let's look into Nasdaq. Now here is a Nasdaq chart. This is the weekly chart. Now here the weekly chart, it indicates an and a morning star. That means we can see some bullish momentum. But again, all this will be dependent on Fed rate hikes following this week. Now let's see what the daily charts say. The daily charts is just in the range, if you would see. So this is trying to trade between 40,400, 11,480 and 500, 600 range. So the MACD for the day is still looking downside. RSI is in a comfortable zone. Stochastic is trying to converge and trying to go up. And DMI is on a bearish side. The 4-hour chart, let's see. On the 4-hour charts, the MACD is might be trying to converge from here. It might take a form converge, and RSI is comfortable, but stochastic is looking downside. And same is the story for the DMI. There's also going to be a zone. Let's look on for 1-hour chart. So the 1-hour charts, MACD is trying to converge for a buy side. RSI is also looking up, and even the stochastic, and except for the directional movement that is still in the looking for a bearish side. So owing to all of this, I would see that we have got for 3 indicators which are trying to go on a bullish side on a 1-hour chart. So before the German cash session opens, we can see some sort of a bounce, and based on that, I think these conditions, if it goes very high, it will be a very good opportunity to short sell at the higher levels to play the swing. So let's see the entry levels for the day, Nasdaq. So this is the Nasdaq entry levels. So I would prefer an entry at 11,580 for a long, and 11,620 will be a target, 660, and 11,700 will be the max. I think the max can be around 11,660. I don't think it can go 70, but still we have to be very careful. Let up is trailing stop loss over our trades, and any long buy stop loss to be 11,540. You can take a short entry at 11,500. Targets 11,480, 420, and beyond. Well, all this will be, even if it goes, this can be just to take up your for the day. I would say just take the stop losses, not to eat up the stop losses. So no quantity is better, and also see indicators in your favor in taking up this trade. However, please note 11,400 is a beautiful support, very strong support. So after 11,480, the next support will be 11,400. But there are chances that it can give you some wild moves. So let's take a short entry at 11,500 so that we can get up to 11,480, 420, and you can send 11,380. It can give you some chance to go, and any stop losses 11,540. And no trade zone between 11,500 and 500. Daily trend is consolidation. Monthly is downtrend. Strong support is around 480, then 11,400. And strong resistance for the 0. So these are the comments. GDP and the manufacturing. UK. let's look on the DE30 journey in this. So guys, if you like my analysis and if you're able to trade with these levels, I would really appreciate if you give me a like and also comment and also subscribe to my channels. I shall be bringing more, opening up more of my trades like gold and silver through this channel. Just trying to execute all of these my trades wherein you are able to make, I'm sure, some bucks. So I'll really appreciate if you really support me with your valuable likes and feedbacks, and also if you could subscribe to this channel. Let's look into the DE30, January 30. This is weekly chart again. Here also, if you would see the weekly 30 weekly, it was an indecisive. It was in a range. The market did not move anywhere, right? Was, last week it was just in the same range. The previous week we had the fall, then now this, let's see for the day what it says. The market is still looking downside on the daily chart. RSI is also looking downside, but still in a comfortable zone with Delta. And this is trying to converge, stochastic is trying to converge, but the direction movement is on bullish side. 4-hour charts, let's see what's the story. So 4-hour charts, most of the indicators like MACD is showing going to converge the upside, and RSI is looking upside, and stochastic is looking downside, and bearish on the DMI as well. So this is indecisive. That means this is pretty much looking like this market will be in a range for the day until if we see any moments after the GDP of the week is released. If the market want to react to it, it will be waiting for Fed decisions this week. So let's look into the trading levels for the day. So this on on the 50-day and 100-day moving averages, just converged to a buy side from here. So after that, it's still in the range. There's nothing indicative. Okay, so let's see for the trade levels. So this is the entry levels for the 30 Germany. So if you get a chance at 14 to 20, or 14,300 will be after. Even if you take, you'll have to make a pretty step loss at 14,280 immediate stop loss, so that you can preserve your capital, because targets long as what I'm expecting after 14 to 20, if you get an entry is 14 to 50, 300 and 360 the max for the day. And if you're taking a long buy, stop loss at 14 to 20, your stop loss should be 41. And short entries you can take, that's 40,200. Targets can be 41,30 and beyond. 14,100. After that, 14,000 is the one. It can fall drastically over here, so I don't think that's to happen. So let's see. Stop losses should be 14,220. I'm not giving you a no trade zone today, because I think the more or less the trade is going to be on it. The trading would be on a swing trade, so it can come to the support levels, then go back to the resistance of 100. We can play a swing of 100, 120 before the cash sessions, and after the cash sessions, around 60 to 80 points movement on the other side. On daily trend is in consolidation. Monthly is around, let me see. Strong support is 40,220. Strong resistance for the day. So something is wrong. Just okay, friends, updated the chart. Yeah, let's put the entries also for the short 41,200, and the targets can be 4160, 4100 plus. And the stop loss should be 1420. The markets, as I said, can be on a swing trade today. And a strong support is at 14,220, and strong resistance is 14,300. So you can play the swing trade between 14,200, 14,280 amounts. Can play between this range, or you can even test 300 and then return. Okay. Thank you. That's all for the day. And please keep supporting. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and do put your comments if I can do some improvement on this further. If you have any ideas, you can suggest us. Thank you so much.